Let me show you an easy way to see sent friend requests on Facebook. When you get to the list of your sent friend requests, you can always choose to cancel those if you want to. Keep in mind, if you do that, they will not be notified that you've canceled it. Now, your first option is open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or you can go to facebook.com. Let's check in here by tapping on menu at the bottom right. It might be at the top right though. And then tap on friends and then requests at the top left. Now, sometimes you'll be able to see your sent friend requests on here, but it doesn't always show up in the app itself. And in my case, it says no new friend requests. Now, if that doesn't show up for you, we're going to check the web-based version to definitely find that. So open up Safari or Google Chrome, and then we're just going to type in, not fast.com, but facebook.com. Now that we're in here, you want to log into your account, but make sure that you stay on the web-based version. Don't tap open in the app. Now let's go to your friends by tapping on the three lines at the top right. And then from here, tap on friends. And now you can see friend requests at the top left. From here, to be able to see all of the ones that you sent, all you need to do is tap on those three dots at the top right and hit view sent requests. This will show you all of your current pending friend requests. If you wanted to cancel any of them, you can just tap on that cancel button, or you can just tap on their profile to check them out again.